Raccoon have 100 caps. Banker Raccoon also start with 100 caps. Raccoons still have 100 caps. Banker Raccoon now have 1,745. Same caps, same alley, same year they started. One difference. Banker Raccoon know one rule, Raccoon did not. This is that rule.
Compound interest. Explained by Raccoon.
Smart Raccoon walk up. Sit down next to Raccoon. Smart Raccoon not look excited. Smart Raccoon look tired. When Raccoon lend caps to someone, they pay Raccoon extra for using those caps. That extra called interest. When Raccoon borrows someone's caps, Raccoon pay them extra. That extra also called interest. Same word, very different feeling depending on which side Raccoon is sitting on. There are two types of interest, simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is boring but honest. Compound interest is either the greatest force working for Raccoon or quietly working against Raccoon. Depend entirely on which side of the table Raccoon is at.
Box 1. Simple interest. Raccoon lend Lender Raccoon 100 caps at 10% per year. Year 1, Lender Raccoon pay back 10 caps. Raccoon have 110. Year 2, 10 more caps. Raccoon have 120. Year 3, Raccoon have 130. Every year, exactly 10 caps. Clean, predictable. Interest is calculated only on the original 100 caps. Every time, forever. Box 2. Compound interest. Same 100 caps, same 10%, same Lender Raccoon. But this time the 10 caps from year 1, they stay in the pile. Year 1, 10% on 100 caps. Raccoon have 110. Year 2, 10% on 110 caps. Raccoon have 121. Year 3, 10% on 121 caps. Raccoon have 133. Not 130, 133. Raccoon say, that is only 3 extra caps. Who care about 3 caps? Smart Raccoon just point at the calendar.
100 caps, 10% compound interest. No new caps added, just time. Year 1, 110 caps. Year 5, 161 caps. Year 10, 259 caps. Year 20, 673 caps. Year 30, 1,745 caps. Simple interest, 400 caps. Compound interest, 1,745 caps. Same money, same rate, same time. Only difference, compound interest earn interest on the interest. This is the snowball. Year 1 to year 5, compound earns 61 extra caps. Simple earn 50, almost the same. Year 20 to year 30, compound earn 1,072 extra caps. Simple earn 100. The gap is small at the beginning, enormous at the end. Snowball is small on flat ground, enormous by the bottom of the hill. This is why time is the most important variable, not the amount. Smart Raccoon show Raccoon one more thing, the rule of 72. Take 72, divide by interest rate. That is how many years caps take to double. At 10%, 72 divided by 10, caps double every 7.2 years. At 6%, 72 divided by 6, caps double every 12 years. At 1%, the kind banks give on savings, caps double every 72 years. Raccoon not have 72 years. Raccoon make a note.
Raccoon is nodding. Raccoon finally understands something. Raccoon feel proud of himself. Then Banker Raccoon walk into the alley from the shadows. Closed eye smile. He hear everything. Banker Raccoon congratulate Raccoon on learning compound interest. He say it is wonderful, beautiful thing. He then mention, quietly, still smiling, compound interest do not only build wealth, it also build debt. Same snowball that roll in Raccoon's favor as investor, roll in Banker Raccoon's favor when Raccoon is the borrower. Consider this. Credit card with 36% annual compound interest. Rule of 72, 72 divided by 36, debt double every 2 years. Raccoon not owe on credit card right now, but Lender Raccoon does.
Linda Raccoon borrowed 200 caps 2 years ago. He pay minimum every month. He think he almost done. Banker Raccoon open clipboard. Balance say 287 caps. Linda Raccoon pay back more than he borrow. He still owe more than he start with. The snowball do not care whose side it is on. It only know one direction, forward. Banker Raccoon closed clipboard, still smiling. He walked back into shadows. Same rule, same math. Only question is, are Raccoon holding the snowball or a Raccoon standing at the bottom of the hill?
Smart Raccoon sit down next to Raccoon. He say there are 3 rules. Simple, ignored constantly. Rule 1, start early. Raccoon investing 10 caps a month starting at age 22 beat Raccoon investing 100 caps a month starting at age 35. Not because of the amount, because of the time. The snowball need a long hill. The earlier Raccoons start, the longer the hill. Rule 2, stay out of high-interest debt. Compound interest running against Raccoon at 36% is always louder than compound interest working for Raccoon at 10%. Raccoon cannot out-invest a debt that compounds faster than the investment. Raccoon should know this now. Rule 3, do not touch the pile. Compound interest reward patience above everything else. You do almost nothing in year 1. You do everything in year 20. Only way to reach year 20 is leave the pile alone. Raccoon look at 100 caps. Raccoon put all 100 caps in index fund. Raccoon not touch them. Smart Raccoon say that is actually right call, for once. Raccoon tell him to be quiet.
Compound interest. Same rule that made Banker Raccoon rich in the alley is same rule that is quietly running on Lender Raccoon's debt right now. Learn which side Raccoon is on. Next time, credit score. The number Banker Raccoon check before he decide how much interest to charge Raccoon. Well, this is not financial advice. Raccoon is not licensed cap advisor. Please do not sue Raccoon. Raccoon barely afford pizza. If this helped even one Raccoon in the dumpster crew, leave a like. Subscribe.